Hello, hi, good day, everyone. My name is Zeda Retondra. You know what time it is. Programming time. I hope you are ready. You are prepared to make it the year 2025 ISD Introduction to System Development Paper 2. Today we'll be treating the paper that was written on the year 2022, the final one that was written on the 25th of November. Um, if you really need any assistance with paper one, you would let me know down there on the section. I will attend you. But in the meantime, we are dealing with paper two. For any question, holler me on the comment. I will respond. For the source code, for the question papers, for the materials, holler me on WhatsApp. I will send you. You know the first comment, it has to be my number phone that you holler me on WhatsApp. If you haven't subscribed, make sure that you subscribe, share the video, tell others that they may also know and pass this programming. It's possible for a child to pass programming by a record time like I did some few years ago. Now let's get down to the question paper. Let's see, sometimes ISD, the final question paper, it consists of 3 questions, sometimes 4 questions. But one thing for sure that you need to know always, question 1, you will be required to design an interface. And that is 3 marks, because all things that are needed are written there. So if you don't know them or they are not taught at your campus, no need to worry. I'll show you how to search for them on the toolbar under your Visual Basic, and everything will pop up there, and you will just drag and drop. So this is the interface we will be designing on the question 1 for this question paper. All right, question 1, it is the following question refers to the VB-Net solution Stop Abuse ISD Level 2 paper 2 Stop Abuse that has been saved on the hard drive. I'm sorry guys, I don't have the hard drive that is saved on. It was there on the year 2022 while you were busy writing the finals, your fellow campus mates. So I don't have it because I don't have that drive. So that means I will have to design from the scratch. For the entire question paper, I will be designing from the scratch. So now it says what when it continues. IT volunteers in your community to have decided. Community have decided. Hey, I was reading the wrong English. To design a program that can be used by community members to seek help and report any form of abuse. People who suffered from abuse can use the program to tell their stories and seek advice or make an appointment for counseling. Wow, this is so nice. Unfortunately, it's just a question paper. I wish it was also real. In real life, we really need such, because we have got people who need to open up their hearts in regards to this abuse, and who really need an assistance. So now, this is an interface. As you can see, it has got a label here, a logo in a form of picture box, and another one picture box. And I don't have these pictures, guys, so I went to the internet. I just downloaded some pictures randomly. So yeah, pardon me if they don't really look alike. But one thing I love is that there is a mark here for examination number, mark for this, mark for this, mark for this. As long as you know how to write here, you get a mark. As long as you know how to write it like this, you have another mark. Picture box, 2 maybe, a 2 maybe, a group box, another mark, group box, another mark. So everything that you'll be seeing here, there will be marks. And if not mistaken, question 1 is having 30 marks. So imagine having the entire 30 marks just by only designing these. And I think everything you know here, come on, here is combo box, text box, checkbox, radio button, checkbox, uh, whatever it is, I'm not sure. But one thing that I like about question one, even if you don't know, when you read on the control, you get to know the name and then you search and you put, you get all the marks. So no need to score less marks on this one. You need to score all of it. All of it, the entire 30 marks. Come on, it's doable. Let's do this. So now let me take a picture of this so that when we go to VB, I will be able to design without going back and forth to come and see the question papers are, except when we do the questions here. Then I will left come back. Okay. Now question one is change the text into the title bar of the form to your examination number. Mark number one. Imagine just a mark for here from. Now if you check here, it's written from 1, here it's written from 1. So that means this from 1 is this one. If we remove this one here, it's remove that up there. And then there goes my ID number. There it is. It's a fake one, guys. It's not the real one. I just inputted any number. So I'm not born in 1974 on the month of 65. The date of 64. I mean, what kind of date is that? It's not even there in the calendar. So yeah, there we go. We go now. So as I do, please also do. It will help you score more marks. Okay, let's go down as well. I think it's big enough. I'm not sure how big that thing is. But then we have got already a mark for this exam number, which is your ID number. Then number 2, for 2 marks, it says we should input the control in the form of a label to stop, and the text that will be written is stop. And the font is my Microsoft Sun. There is the good part about this one, it's already there automatically, bold, and then 28. Okay, so that's 3 marks so far. We can score all that 3 marks, bold and 28. Okay, we'll do that. And then they said we should input picture box and then 2 marks. So 3 plus 2 is 5. So let's begin, guys. Let's begin. Assam the K. Okay, 2 boards. You can either scroll down searching for what you want, or you come up here, you search, label, you get it, you drag and drop. Sorry, excuse me. There we have got a label. I will change it out, the name and everything later. I'm just bringing everything that they said we should bring. They said we should bring as well, what do we call it, picture box. Two of them, so I will duplicate this one, copy and paste. So one will be on the left, label in between. Another one will be on the right. Okay. So already we have accumulated some marks. Yeah, that's awesome. That's really awesome. So then how do we bring the picture on the picture box? You click the up, you go to choose images. They will tell you where to pick the image. So myself, I'm picking it on the desktop because I just placed it there. Alright. Okay, let's go and pick that image. Where is it? Okay, images. Open. There we go. It's gonna be looking like this. Awesome. Yeah. Now after clicking it and then you look here and it's not looking like what it was, then you refine until it looks like it. Okay, it looks like this, right? Now let me just remove this label of mine so that this picture box can see properly here. There we go. And then I put the label here. I'm coming to you, label. You need to fix the picture box number 2. Here at the corner, there is an arrow pointing to the right hand. You click the arrow, choose images. You go to local resources and then import. Oh God, which image should I go with? I don't know. Let's go with image number 4. Let's see how it's gonna. Okay, awesome. It's gonna be looking like this one. Good. It's now it's good. Let's refine. Let's see. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Fine. Let's come to label. Label. They said the text on label. The text on label should be saying. Okay. Should be saying stop in Microsoft Sans Serif and the board, and font size must be 28. Okay. Now, you click your label once, and then you come this side where it's written font. There it is. You click font, they will appear these small boxes with the dot. You click on it. Not right click, not left click, just click on it once, just on the mouse. Oh, I'm using a PC. Yeah, on the computer, and you will have to use right click. Okay. Now, you see now it's already on Microsoft Sans Serif. So I just need to change it to board as question paper stated. And also the size, they said it should be 28. One bigger. Okay, there we go. Oh, I haven't changed the text to stop. I'm wondering it's not like this. Okay, now the stop is in capital letter. Not stop. There you go. Let's just put it here to be a little nice. And then now we have already accumulated 1, 2, 3, 1 mark for here. Okay. 2 for the interface. 3 for this one. 4 for this one. Oh, 4, 5. Here is 5. And then 6 for this one. Yo, already we are on 6 marks so far. Okay, let's see how simple it gets to be to get the whole 30 marks. Okay, 6, 7, 8, we did the picture box, both of them. Now they say we should add 2 group boxes, group box 1, group box 2, and the group box, they must have a name or text written. Please complete, make an appointment. Okay, and then from there, what do? Oh, this mouse is sensitive, yo. Moves so fast. Okay, from the group box, we will get those 2 marks, and then from there, yo, a lot of marks, 7 marks. For these 7 marks, we gonna be putting the labels. Imagine we just put 1 label, and then from there it's copy paste, copy paste, copy paste, copy paste. I mean, it gets easier and easier, guys. And then from there we'll get 1 mark for checkbox anonymous. Okay, from there 2 text box. Okay, let's focus on this one first before I lose track of marks. I think by now we are around 15 if we can do all this. Okay, 15 marks. Let's go for 15 marks. Alright, 2 group box. We go to our toolbox. We search for group box. Or we remove everything. We just go to G. You will see it under G. This is E, F, G, G. There we go. Group box. You grab, drag and drop group box number 1, copy and paste. How did I do copy and paste? I used CTRL CTRL C for copy, CTRL V for paste. Okay. All right. Let me take it down a little bit. Take it down a little bit. Let's also do the same moving on this one. Okay, looks like we need somewhere around the middle. Okay. All right. I think it's fine now like this. Now, what's left is to put those labels that they say we should put. Can I increase the brightness of my screen? Because I can't see that much. Now, like this is perfect. I hope it's not too much on your side. I was hardly seeing the names of the items. Okay, label. We have got label. They said beside label we should put the checkbox. Checkbox is under C. Can go and search, or I can just take it. Okay, from checkbox they said we should combo box. Checkbox and text box. Yeah. T X T T T T. Text box. Going back to C combo box. Okay, there we go. Now let's start to work. I'm having an idea, guys, and this is actually how I used to do it while I'm in the exam room. I design everything first by dragging and dropping, and then later I rename everything, or I change the text. What? Don't you think I should do it that way as well? I think it saves time. Okay, let me just drag and drop where they are supposed to be, and then our text box has to be T and here 3 T. Yes, and T. Oh, I can still count T's and happy count. Okay, let's get another label. Copy, and paste in the side. Okay, and paste another one as fast as possible. And then what about the checkbox? We have got some checkbox this side. Copy, paste 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we put 1, we put 2, we put 3, we put 4. Now we need what we call it a radio button, R. Now guys, by only looking at the interface on the question paper, sometimes you can design without the questions, and then you just go back to the questions to refer, to just double check. Where is R? Radio button. Okay, there you go. Only if you do not know, then you can move by the question paper. But if you know to save time, you can just only do, it's 30 marks. Okay, let's go back to the question paper and see what we left. Okay, we're gonna change everything at the same time. We have the text box for 2 marks, combo box just a mark. We've got what we call it, what rich text box. Wow, you see now, I did not know what is that. Now I know. Now that I know from the question paper, I just come and search rich box. There we go. I put it right here. Right here. Indeed, it's rich. I mean, look at how big it is. Okay, back to the question paper again. Okay, from rich text box, it says we should put the control of radio button. For 2 marks, we have already put the radio button. Checkbox for 4 marks, we have already put the checkbox. And then date time picker, we are left with date time picker. And then let's see, from date time picker, okay, we will be putting the button, date time picker, checkbox D. Okay, there we go. On D, date time picker. See there, boy. And then we have got buttons. I think there are 3 buttons, if not mistaken. 1, copy, paste. Guys, if I'm too fast, you should comment, and then I will know next time that when I do the video, I should not be really fast. So we have already took everything that is required and we put here. Now, okay, unless we left something, let's check. Button for submit, clear, exit. Hey guys, only by doing that, look how many marks you have to accumulate. 30 marks. Don't forget to print, right? 30 marks. Now, what's left is to design. Sorry, my PC is moving fast. It's sensitive. I'm not sure if it's due to break up. Yeah, it's so sensitive. It's like a lady who doesn't want to move on. Oh, very sensitive. Okay, now we check this interface and check our interface this side. It's almost there. We just need to rename. After renaming, we are done. So let me take a peek so that I cannot come back to check for these names. I just do them that way. All right. Now let's go. 5 minutes. We are done with question 1 and we got the 30 marks. Let's start with the name of the group box. Text. Group. Our group box number 1 is called Please Complete. Nekela. Complete. Our group box number 2 is called Make an Appointment. Don't just come. Make an appointment. Away. Now let's get to our label. It says surname initial. Away. Let's come to our label number 2. It says age. There we go. Number 3. It says gender. Let's go number 4. The one for the rich text box. Tell your story. Tell your story. I think we should design such for our campuses here. Okay. Anonymous. Hey, spelling for anonymous is dangerous, guys. Anonymous. There we go. I'm sure I wrote the correct one. Appointment type. Appointment type. Yo. This is my type. So let's do the school work now. Type of abuse. Type of abuse. Okay, let's deal with the radio button now. Radio button number 1, face to face. Face to face, appointment. Let's see, appointment number 2, telephonica. Telephonically. Now let's come to the type of abuse. We have got sexual. Number 2, physical. You see now, if we put everything and then we just come and change emotional, it gets easier than you change the name, you change the name, and now that takes long. Neglect. So neglect is part of abuse. Yo, Jesus. I've been abusing my by neglecting. Yo, Jesus. Submit. Okay. And then from there, clear. And then from there, exit. Guys, we did all that was required. Now we have got all the marks. Okay, now here, how do we add items on the combo box? There are 2 items, male and female. You need to choose your gender. So we say edit item, and then you write male, and then female. There we go. Done. And then you got all your marks. So if you debug it, let's debug it so that you can be able to see. Wait, along, we're along. Oh God. So this is it. We already gotten 30 marks, the whole of it. So you come to gender, you click, they are our gender, and then sexual, physical. Now, one thing you need to know about checkbox can select as many as possible at the same time, but with radio buttons, you can only select one at a time, like telephonica. And then if you click face to face, you see telephonica disappears, because you can't say I'm booking an appointment face to face and telephonica at the same time. It's impossible. And then anonymous, and then your name, Han. Oh Jesus, age 17. Oh God. And then you tell your story, and then you book an appointment on the specific date, and then you submit. Voila, that's how it is. So guys, this is the 30 marks. This is 30 marks. We were doing it. Now we are going for question 2. Okay, let's take a short time a little bit so that you're refreshing and check it up, please. Okay, and then done. Alright, now question 2 says what? From getting that 30 marks, we are 20 marks away to TV. Guys, this year you will pass. Trust me, this year you will pass. Okay, you see, there is 30 marks. Now let's scroll down. Question 2. Now question 2 says the following question refers to the VBNet solution medical center ISD level 2 medical center that has been saved on the hard drive. Again, I'm saying we don't have the hard drive. We need to design from the scratch. Now it's saying the team of local medical practitioners has come together to provide a cheaper medical service to people with low income in your community. I wish they can come to my community. They ask you to design a program that can be used to make an appointment for people seeking medical attention. I would have offered myself to design this just so that my mom and my grandma, yo, Jesus, they can get a free, affordable medical attention. Now, this is study the following IPO chart. Now, in our IPO chart, we have got how many input? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then how many output? 1, 2, 3. And then we have got processing, which is only just one formula to calculate the amount payable. Okay? Now, let's get done with it. Okay, amount payable is an appointment plus consultation fee. All right. Okay. Let's see. And then general practitioner, 50 rand. Dentist, optimist, gynecologist, 100 rand. Yo, Jesus. Dentist is, I hope this dentist is not that one that they have to be removing my tooth only. I mean 500 rand for removing a tooth. I think this one will be the one that they put those shiny teeth on the. You know what I mean? All right, now we have to design this. Okay. All right, let me take a picture of it so that when we design, we don't do back and forth. All right, let's go to VB as fast as possible. Toolbox. We need a label. There you go, label. We're gonna need a text box. Let's go to T. Text box. We're gonna need date, time, stamp. Code what date, what pick on it. And we're gonna need a timer. Hey, my timer, man. Timer. We're gonna need a timer. We're gonna need the date time picker. We're gonna need what again? Button. Nothing will be done. Okay. Where is button? And then we're gonna need combo box. Perfecto. Now 5 minutes. Let's design. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 label. Copy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, from there we're gonna need, okay, text box coming here next to the label. And then now let's pick our second label. It's gonna be using a combo box. And then let's pick our third, and then it's gonna be, okay, the timer is refusing. Okay, I'll attend it later. Let's for now use the time picker for the timer. One label will be enough. Actually, I wasn't supposed to take all 11. Yeah, why is it? I'll have to change this one, label number 5, and then, yeah, the rest I don't need them. They can go. Okay, let's start doing the work. Okay, now here, this one is called surname and the initial, right? Surname, initial. And then number 2, medical. Specialist. And number 3, yeah, appointment date. Appointment date. And then this one time, a timer. I'm coming back to you. There's something that I'm not getting. And then let's come to appointment fee. Appointment fee. How much you gonna pay? And then consultation fee. Consultation fee. Oh God. In the exam, at least they design for you and they put some half code and then you just finish here and there. Amount payable. Unlike myself here, I have to start from the scratch. Yo. Okay, button. The button down here. Copy, paste, 3 buttons. Okay, button 2. Button 3. This one is for calculate. This one is for yeah. This one is for exit. I'm not sure if I'm too fast, guys, for you to catch, but let's see. Now, this one, if you check some works that I've done already, I've explained what normally happens to this border. It must be changed to 3D so that when you remove the name, it won't disappear. As well as to change the auto size. Auto size must be changed to false. Click on the arrow down, you change it to false. And then you come to, no, not that one. Text, where is, where you text, text, name. Guys, where did I took text? My growing old enough not to see. And it is this one is worth label. There is the text. Ha. Okay. Copy, paste, paste. Did it copy and paste? Okay. Copy, paste, paste. Alright. This one I think is there on the question paper. Alright. Now guys, let's go to naming. We name only the input and the output. We don't name the interchanging label. Now txt1, we're gonna name it txt surname, txt surname. This one I'm gonna name it where is the name? Where is the name? Okay, combo box 1. Let's name it cbo medical. Yeah, cbo medical. The time in let's leave it. We come to this lblc LBLC. Okay, label number 5. Change it to LBLC. Oh, there are more fees. Okay, let's say LBL appointment fee. Appointment fee. And then LBL consultation fee. And then LBL payable. I am the issue of amount. Let's just say payable, guys. Yeah, there we go. I think by now we can start coding. Okay, let's go to question paper. Questions. Okay. Okay, add the examination number as comment to your source code 1 mark. Assign surname, appointment date, appointment time, appropriate to appropriate variables and convert the appropriate data type. Guys, now what is happening is now here we are continuing in what we are given on the question paper, right? That means, as you know, in ISD we have got 4 steps of coding. We declare the variable, we assign the variable, we process the variable, and we display, right? So now here we are being told to start with assigning, and we cannot assign what we have not declared, because if you write this, it won't appear. So we have to declare. That means on the exam, they brought the question having declared already for you. And that's like a new style that I'm seeing. They're using it a lot. They're using it a lot. I've not seen it for the first time. I've been seeing it. They are using it a lot, whereby you need to only start with assigning that they've already declared for you. Okay, now we are going to declare amount payable, consultation fee, appointment fee, funny. Yeah. Okay, and also the combo box. Okay. Are we ready, guys? Okay. My sensitive PC. Yes. 2.11 mark. Okay. Let's start with that 1 mark, and then we do the work that doesn't have a mark. It comes with a question paper. All right. Now, how do we write a comment? Voila, there is my ID, 1945, on the month of 56, on the day 72. I just wrote, not my true ID. So if you just type numbers, it will be error. So you don't just type numbers, you put this small thing that you're seeing here. It stays in the same button with inverted commas. Those inverted question inverted mark. Oh, English. It's long for it. Okay, now let's declare Bim's surname S in I Bim appointment. There's those thing of C and what. Let's leave it. Appointment, comma, consultation, comma, amount table. These ones are as decimal, right? Oh, forgotten to declare one integer. One string here. CDO, CD, then CDO, then CDO medical, CDO medical. Yes, okay, there you go. Good. Now there's edit item here. OB DYN etc etc. I don't know what, but I think that's what is there. I don't know. So we'll have to go back to the question paper. Okay. Um. Okay. Let's go back to the question paper. Something I should have taken a picture of. That would have helped us on the under what do we call it, under IPO chart, under our IPO. Okay, yes, here we go. This is what I wanted. This will guide us when assigning. Okay, the appointment fee. Let me take a picture. I don't know, in the exam room, guys, or at least you're having a question paper, you're not writing using a computer at least. Okay, let's go back to the question. We have already wrote our examination number, right? We are on the process of assigning, and then from assigning they say refer to the consultation fee table above and use the select case statement to determine the consultation fee. Wow. And they said 6 months. Okay, that one I just took a picture of. So now let me say, oh yeah, it's been a long time not doing this, guys. CBO medical dot item dot add, and then inside here, and then inside here I write what consultation. Yes. And consultation. Actually, we say 0. Don't forget we count from 0 in programming. We don't count from 1. Okay, copy, paste. Then this is gonna be our 1, and then from consultation we have to come to how many consultation fees we are having? 1, 2, 3. Now guys, I won't be doing all because the question paper is not showing us So I think I'll just have to do the ones that I can. It's OB. Is it OBG? Guys, I can't remember. Okay, let me just come to the design. I wrote something. I can't remember everything. I think it's OB and the GN, GYN, and then I'll also add my own. The one for the chief agent is here. So OB, GYN for gyno, what colleges, and then let's add number left, and then we just say don't pick the expensive one, right? Then pick, and then we add it. Yeah, there you go. And another thing, guys, I'm no longer sure if it's here or it's up there. Can't remember. But anyway, we'll figure it out. Let's debug and see first. Let's debug and see first. And then we'll go and do 2.2. Okay, there it is. So it's here. I did it in the right place. Okay, so there's a tool of adding information to the combo box, which is this way, and the best and right way. It helps you with the coding as well. And there's that other one that I did first, and I have to go and remove. Yeah, this one I have to remove these two. Yeah, okay, I've added them that side, so it makes them to be more. All right, you need to get to question 2 now. 2.2.2. Let's go to it. Let's see with Salam Wirala. Okay. Refer to consultation fee table. Is the case. You need to determine the consultation fee. So we are assigning the cases to their prices. So we're gonna use the select case. It's called select. So you do select and then you do case. And then what's the name of my combo box is called CEO medical dot select, and that's not dot select index. I need select index. Select index. Why is it not select index is not appearing? Is it select index? Select. Am I writing the wrong spelling maybe? Okay, no problem. Let's continue if it's not putting up. It's many other ways of doing the coding. Okay, so let's remember here that I only wrote select instead of select indexes. Okay, now let's say case 0. Now case 0 we are saying consultation assigned to, okay, the first one they said it should be 200 rand, and then case 1. Oh, guys, something is not cooking up. Since that select index is not cooking up, my things are not cooking up here. Okay. God give me wisdom here. We need wisdom. Yeah, let me think of something. TBO medical. Put it in NCV. Change this. These are money and then number. Okay, let me say. Yes. Okay. TBO medical. Good. And this one even select, it's not there. And that one it was there. Oh, where am I missing the point? Okay. Before I will shift to another method, let's just try this one again. I will select instead of select case. Select case. Okay, let me rewrite it from the beginning. Underline. Okay. Select case TBO medical dot. Oh my god. Oh god. Okay guys, I will have to take it to another method, because hey, imagine you are stuck in the exam room and they have given you this method and you are not winning. I'm not sure about my PC now. But anyway, select case. Select. Okay, when I put it on string, it's allowing. I'm not following. If I'm putting it on string and it's allowing, oh, what can I do now? It's allowing select only without index. So hey, Jesus Christ, where did I select it? Select. Okay. Now, you know what? Let's do this here. Okay. Good. Yeah, I removed something by mistake. Okay, good. Now, okay. Let's go with declaring those three things. It's dim ob comma gy, and this is what I do if I start in the exam. Normally I don't let too much during the entire 30 marks, so I code the way I understand, and then later I go back and then I try and fix that 2 marks before I run out of time while I'm in the exam, right? So now GN and then let's say dentist, okay, dentist, right? And then let's assign their consultation fee. This guy OB charges 200, and then gynecologist charges, they said what, 500, and then they said in case 2 it was gonna be, okay, they said dentist, and then he will charge how much, 600, and there's another one for 700, but okay, this is how you do it. Let's save time because now we have taken much of the time. Let's go another question. They said what? Okay, assigning, we've done that one. We use the select case. Okay, so now look, these 6 marks, by now I don't have it because with using select case we are not winning. I tried with integer, with decimal, it was actually working fine with string, but selected index wasn't coming, and so far I'm not sure what could be the problem, but I'll fix it later. So now let's just think of saving this 1 and this 4, and then we are continuing with getting more marks because it's in the exam room, and then you don't have to finish time trying to fix only 6 marks out of more marks. So write the code to calculate the amount payable. Use the formula in the IPO chart. Okay. Add the code to display the consultation fee on the appropriate levels. Okay. This one we can combine them, 2 of them, right? Add the code to display amount payable to the appropriate level as well. Okay. Go to this 6, 8. So this 8 marks plus this 4 and 12 and the 1 and 13. So far we'll be having 13 and the missing this 6, and then we'll come back to it. Okay, let's go back to the code. They said, did I declare payable? I didn't. How? Let me check the interface. Amount payable. So I did the appointment and the consultation, and I didn't do the payable. What's wrong with me? Appointment, consultation, amount. Oh, I wrote it amount. I've forgotten even what I wrote, guys. Amount payable. Let me write payable because I'm forgetting a lot. Okay. Now, good. Amount payable. Okay, using the formula. Amount payable. It's gonna be appointment fee. Can I just check? Okay. Okay, appointment fee plus consultation fee. Let's go. Okay, this amount payable is gonna be appointment plus consultation. Where are you? Consultation. All right. Okay. Oh gosh, something is coming to my mind on the how to fix that thing, because if we don't have it, we'll have a serious challenge. That's a like case. It will affect us in calculating, because the consultation option, it has to be either of these ones that are here, but it's fine. We'll work around it as long as we make the code work, and then we'll fix it later. And then LBL consultation fee test. Forgotten the question again. We read and we were to what? The consultation fee. Okay. Display amount payable. Okay. Consultation fee. Okay. Okay. And then how then do we display? We use what we call it LBL. LBL consultation fee assigned to it's gonna be okay. For now, let's just say OB to see if it works. OB, and then since we don't have a select case, yeah, we use OB or GYN or dentist. If they work this way, then we know that how we're gonna move forward. And then we still have got LBL, and I made a mistake up there. It has to be the text because it's a label. LBL table dot text assigned to amount payable, and it's in money. It has to be dot two in, and then inside the inverted commas, and then we say v2. Oh my goodness lord, that combo box is messing up my head. Oh, dot text. Okay, also here you need to write dot two string, since it's money from South African currency. It's v2. Okay. Okay, the next question says we should do what? Write the code to display the concatenated message on the appropriate label indicated below. Okay, what message you? Okay. Mabuza L, the amount payable for your appointment on the, and then the date. It, oh my god. Okay. And then from there, let the code complete the click event clear. These ones, and clear and they exist. These are the 3 marks. So let's wait on this one before we can talk about going back to that 6 mark. Okay. Anyway, let's test and see first if so far what we are doing won't give us more errors. Okay. Pretty sure I didn't OB in the name. Okay, not responding, that means there is an error. Let's see where it is. Conversion. Conversion from string to integer and the same thing. It's right, man. No problem. Let's come back and attend it. But let's see that it works. Okay. Yeah, okay. Let me also do the same down here so that we don't come back many times. Okay. Let's try and see. The name. Okay. Here, nothing popping up. Here, okay. Okay. I'm seeing. Fine. Let's work. Okay. Appointment plus consultation form was called the CBO didn't allow us. Okay. I understand why. Okay, now. So now instead of calling what goes on the CBO, let's just take one. Then okay, consultation. Yes, I'm not deciding. Okay. Uses idea consultation fee that text. All these things, let me put them inside the bracket. Let me try this, see if it's gonna give me see if it will give me error. See. Oh God, thank you. The creativity that we get to do while we're in the exam room. But we'll see with the memorandum when it comes back how there were big errors. Where now? On the new style that I just wanted to try. Okay, but it debugged it all. Okay. My lad, I guess. Oh, voila. What can we say? Hey, yeah, this is starting to be slow, y'all. We were to say what The last LBL. Wait a minute. The LBL number 3. Oh, payable. Okay. Yeah. Payable. Dot text. Assigned. They said we should. Yo, that message is long though. We're gonna carry what's in the text of surname dot text and the available for the appointment if and then I see this written it inside this. Yes, it must be ready. There we go. And then and after this message it has to show us the appointment money. And I take it from LBL. Ah, guys, I'm seeing a mistake again here. Look, payable, payable. It can be payable and payable. There are three. There is consultation fee. Consultation fee. Did I name it correctly? This LBL, its name is consultation, right? And then this one, its name is appointment. And then this one, its name is table. Okay, consultation. LBL. LBL appointment. Okay. LBL. Yeah. LBL appointment. Here is LBL consultation. And then here is LBL table. Okay, now it makes sense. Then here I would like to take the LBL consultation. Okay, dot text and let's continue with the message. Okay, I don't know why is it underlining. Okay, let's continue. It says also we must have appointment date and also appointment time. Yeah, God, it's a lot to see. Okay, let me close up. I will fix it. For now, let's test this and see. There's this one appearing here. I don't know what does it want. This, yeah, I think it's the one that was taking this. Oh, it's still there. Idea consultation fee, the test. No, whatever we open in programming, we must close, otherwise it will cause an error for us. So that was caused by that bracket that I closed and that it didn't open. I programming, so we two. I didn't even assign the name. That is fine. Okay, good. This one's of time. What? Sakate kisa, sakate kisa. Yeah, but whatever, man. As you can see, wait along, we along. Um, guys, I'm disappointed with the combo box thing. Combo box thing. I don't know. But guys, comment on the section. Help me to help you. Sometimes I see my mistakes. Sometimes I don't see my mistakes. But that 6 marks mustn't stop us from getting all these other marks. As you can see, so far this thing is working. It's working. And also here, I'm surprised. If you check out the ISD question paper that I just tweeted of the year 2022, last year, you will see that I did use currency of South Africa and it worked. So now that it's not working, I don't know. You will give them input. Okay, let's stop debugging and then let's finish this question paper. Okay, and then the code complete the clear button of all appropriate and also exit and then change the title bar to your examination mark. This one is for free, for free, for free, for free. So we are missing that 6 marks only. My sensitive computer. Okay. We're gonna do the button calculate, button clear and button exit. Don't worry. I'm just checking down here if there is any other marks to do. Okay, for displaying, we will get 2 marks before we go to the next. And 1 mark for the source code. It was having 34 marks. Yo, guys, 34 plus that one that we did already. It's passing. The question 1 was having 30 marks. Question 2 is having 34. So 30 plus 34 is 64. And then 64 minus 6 marks, but we didn't manage to get it off combo box. So that means we are using 58. Okay. So it, 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 it's possible to pass. Very much possible. Very much possible. Now let's do that question 2.3. Okay. They say they are doing txt surname dot text. Okay, we use that clear. There are many methods of. Okay, let me use the one assigning and then this one, and then all the LBLs dot text I'm assigned to. Another LBL dot this thing is 3 marks from this one. I wasn't supposed to even be doing this, guys. I mean, I know you can do this one. Dot text assigned to. I should be worried about that CBO combo box that is not working. And then question 2.4, they said we should use the message box, right, to clear. So then we're gonna use if statement. If message box dot show, if message box dot show do you want to clear you want to clear, then me dot close, and then you get that format. Or else you do it differently. There are many ways. The message box button dot yes no, message box icon dot question, Windows form dialog dot yes. Then yeah, depending on how you want to. Okay. 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 Let's say calculate. Where did I put that code? It was supposed to be here on exit. Which question do you want to clear? Yes. Oh my God. Clear and exit under the wrong button. Oh God. But they work. Let's copy them and take them to where they belong. Okay. This one cut is going to clear. Yes, it's supposed to be here. Okay. And then let's take this one, message box, cut is going to exit. Okay. Now yeah. I got the name. So I'm already tired, guys. Already tired. Really tired. Okay. And then clear. There we go. It cleared. I forgot to clear this three. But you know the drill is the same. And then exit. You want it to clear. Yes. Clear on the exit. Do you want to close? You guys are allowing me to do this mistake. I guess I'm waiting alone here. Close instead of clear. Now there you go. Perfecto. I'm not sure if I have a strength to continue with question 3. Only question 3 left here, guys, and then we'll be done. So I don't know if we can do it next. For now, we stop here. Yeah, the interface is simple. It's not that difficult. So only 2 inputs, and then you get the summary calculation on the output, and then we're done. But in the meantime, let's stop here, and then how many marks? 36. Only 36 marks left to make it 100. So I'm owing you that 36 marks. Okay. I think the much of the weight here is on the data validation. Data validation is the one that carries a lot of weight. Because if you can see that you already have a 1 mark for free for putting your examination number up there on the form, and then write the code to check if the first number is numeric or if not. You see, that is still data validation. You're gonna use if it's numeric or if it's not numeric. And then they said what, uh, check the second number if it's numeric. Still is data validation. You're going to use if it's not numeric. And then from there they said assign the input. You know how to assign already. And then it says write code to determine the IS between the first and the second year. I think here that's where you will have an exercise a little bit, but do not worry, I got you. We will do it. We're gonna use the if statement and the else if statement, since we have got two inputs or two text box for the input, you know. And then this one it says add the code to divide the first number by the second number. Guys, the formula is there on the IPO chart. We will do it, don't worry. I'm just checking the difficulty. Mostly the last question is the most easiest one. Hey, more much here, 5. Write the code to compute the remainder between the first number and the second number. We're gonna use the int reminder and then the int first number mode. Yeah, if you remember how you do it, as long as you don't forget to use math.round. That's how we do it. And then write the code to display the highest number division of the reminder. Oh god. Then you're going to be calculating the average. So like this. But it just to be there on the formula, and then you display, and then you exit. I'm gonna clear and exit again. These are the 3 marks again. 3, 3, 1. Okay. So yeah, we'll come back for this one. All right. We'll come back for this one. In the meantime, stay blessed. The Lord be with y'all. So for any question, ask on the comment section. I will answer. Please make sure you subscribe, you share to give others the information. And look out for question 3. The 36 marks I'm owing you. At least now you have got these other 50. Is it 50 or 70 formats already in your pocket? Okay. God bless you. See you soon.